Carpet removal is a relatively straightforward task that just about anybody can complete with minimal effort. First things first, before you start to remove your carpet, you need to clear every piece of furniture from the room. And if possible, remove the doors from their hinges. You want the space to be as wide open and easy to work in as possible. All you need is a pair of pliers and you're ready to go. We also recommend wearing safety gloves as you will come into contact with carpet grippers under the surface. It's best to start in a corner. Simply grab the carpet with your pliers and give it a pull. If you can't quite get the corner up, use a Stanley knife to cut a square section away to give you more space to get your hands underneath the carpet. Then all you need to do is work around the edges until all your carpet is released from the grippers. Once it's all free, cut your carpet into strips lengthways and roll up into easily manageable segments to make the job of carrying out and disposing of your carpet much easier. If you have underlay in place, repeat this process of lifting, cutting and rolling until all has been removed. With your carpet and underlay now rolled up, secured and disposed of responsibly, we can now remove the carpet grippers. To remove your grippers, use a large flathead screwdriver and mallet to get under the wooden strip and pry it up bit by bit. These may splinter along the way, so be extra careful removing and disposing of these. All that's left to do is remove any protruding nails and staples. Give your floor a good sweep, then you're ready for your brand new carpet.